Hi, over the years I've purchased various cooking gadgets and appliances, and they end up being in a junk drawer or a cabinet that I forget that I have. And recently, going through a cabinet, I found my old George Foreman Grill. You can see it's a little grimy, so I'm going to have to go in and wash it off and see if it works. So, finding equipment from the junk drawer. So I'm going to try to wash this off, but I think I'm going to need a lot of this grease fighting dishwashing soap. So I'm going to go scrub and see how that works. All right, I finished washing the grill. I even washed the cord to get the dust and kitchen grime off. So basically the way the George Foreman worked is that it's slightly slanted cooking plates. Both sides are heated. You close the lid and the food would start cooking, and the grease would drip down into this grease catcher. So the George Foreman Grill was popular mainly for the lean, mean, fat grilling machine. So basically you reduce the fat and cook the food at the same time. I'd say the benefits of this, it's nice and self-contained. You just heat up this grill and you're ready to cook. And this is the actual larger version. The smaller version was probably smaller. I mean, had about this much cooking area. But this you could cook 2 patties or something larger. So I'm going to continue. Let's see if it works. The light is on. And usually you'd wait for this light to turn off to start cooking, so you know it's heated up enough. And one thing I'd like to do, since I haven't used this in a long time, is I'll just put a wet towel in there to help steam off any stuff that's built up. But I think it's pretty good. I've given it a good scrubbing. Alright, I don't know if you could see the steam coming off of the paper towels, but hopefully that helps clear up any remaining gunk that's hot. Whew. I'll wait for the light to come off or go off. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes. The light's gone off. That means the machine is up to temperature. And I'm going to cook some, let's see if I haven't tried this. I used to cook steak on this, and that seemed to work. About a New York steak, about 3/4 of an inch thick, took about 7 minutes. These are frozen beef patties. Let's see how long that takes. You hear it grilling or cooking. As the food is cooking away, you could see the juices coming off of the grill and collecting into this little catcher. Alright, this is how it looks after 5 minutes. They're starting to get defrosted. I'm going to give it a few more minutes to cook. Probably another 5 more minutes. As you can see, there's all that fat dripping off. That's if you're worried about the fat. Alright, the grill has been going for about 10 minutes. The burgers have nice color. And I think I'll take them off. They look done. I could have probably taken them off sooner. I just wanted to be sure that they'd be okay or cooked. They look done. And with beef, I always like adding a little butter on top. Salt and pepper. I'll let this cool off a bit and give it a taste. So I also note that these are all the juices from the burger patties, and these are non-stick grill grates or non-stick surface, so hopefully that should clean off easy from what I remember it did. Alright, here are the hamburger patties. I'm gonna just try to cut it up and see what they look like on the inside. They're definitely done. I cooked them for 10 minutes. I wonder if I could have cooked them for 7 or 8 minutes, because they look a little dry. Not bad. One thing about the George Foreman, it's a convenient way of cooking something, or flat pieces of meat, steak, burgers. It's self-contained. You just have to work out the timing. So frozen patties in a George Foreman, I think 10 minutes is too long. I think I could have gotten by with 8 or 7. Color is pretty good. It looked better earlier at about 7 minutes. I took a sneak peek. But, with a burger, you'll add mayonnaise, mustard, and all the condiments. And I think that makes up maybe for the dryness. Cleaning the George Foreman, it was fairly straightforward. I already dumped whatever's in here. And I just take a damp towel and just wipe this stuff off. And if it's really dirty, you could wash the plates under the sink, rinse them, but don't submerge the machine. Also, doing a wet paper towel, at least that's what I did, and then just turning it on, it kind of steamed stuff off. So the non-stick surface helped back in the day. I just need to work on the timing. It's been probably 15 years since I've used the George Foreman.